In every corner of your home, clean air should feel natural, not forced. ArborFlow brings a quiet, elegant presence to the spaces you love most. Built for quiet moments, ArborFlow fits seamlessly into bedrooms and nurseries, offering gentle, passive filtration without distraction. In the kitchen, everyday cooking can leave the air feeling heavy. ArborFlow's carbon and H13 dual-stage filter helps reduce lingering odors and fine airborne particles, all without chemicals or ozone. Wherever you work or unwind, ArborFlow adds a natural aesthetic with filtration designed for real homes, not just lab metrics. Even when the outdoors get smoky, ArborFlow stays quietly at work inside, helping maintain a fresher atmosphere no matter what's cooking. Powered by nature, shaped by design, ArborFlow brings clarity to your air and calm to your space.